many people. What's up?
I think 1,000 people.
Yeah, the most famous in China means Nanjing Road. Yeah, Nanjing Road.
Nanjing Low. Too much. How many people know?
Is this or in this weekend only, or how about in weekdays?
How about
Weekdays,
weekdays?
like Monday, Tuesday, until Friday. The same people do
Every day.
every day.
Yeah. You can see how many people.
What kept their busy? What kept their busy?
Busy. The history. You mean history of the building? 150. Yes. Made by French, England, English, America, Russia.
Almost all people country we go there. What
Yeah.
is a statue?
Chen Yi.
Chinese?
The Chen Yi. Chen Yi. Yeah. The被踩了，拍张照，拍张照，拍张照，拍张照。
Busy road yung busy place. Maraming pantao sa taas. Yan yung pinaka-center nila. City center. Busy.
Yan bro, itatawid bro. May stockings lang yata, no? Mabalas talaga.
Busy road. Hindi na kami nag-stop bumaba kasi kami ng yung dalawang traffic. Sobrang traffic.
Ayun o, nakabike o. Yan. Wala na, malayo na.
Sobrang traffic yung bisikleta, mas mabilis pa kaysa sasakyan. Traffic. Sobra.
Lagay na ng pagka mo na kami sa road.
Pang. Papunta kami.
Nakatawag ka bro? Vlog. Ha? Vlog. Ah, vlog? Vlog daw.
Full level. Traffic sa labas. Hindi gumagalaw ang sasakyan. Papunta na kami airport na. Well, dyan na nakapo.